Thank you, Cabinet Secretary, and thank you for that statistic. I met with a representative from the Professional Association of Self-Caterers this morning, and they provided me with a further statistic as well. According to them, 33% of holiday lets in Wales have planning restrictions on them, which would not allow those properties to be used for general housing stock. And now, I have several constituents in that situation myself, where barns have been converted, there are shared utilities, it's not possible for them to be used for any other purpose other than housing, other than holiday let properties, and there's also planning restrictions on those properties as well. It's also the case that the market does not allow them to be able to let their properties out for more than 182 days a year. In my mind, moving to a council tax system would make operating those businesses very difficult, and also they are businesses, so in my mind they should be in the business rates system. What is your advice to those businesses? And secondly, I know that you're currently undertaking a consultation. This does not capture this issue. Do you have any other plans to carry out any further consultations which would capture and deal with this particular issue?
Well, my advice to the Llywydd is to take part in the consultation, because the consultation doesn't preclude anybody from raising any issue that they think is relevant to the operation of the 182-day requirement. Now, we set out in the consultation some ideas that we think have merit based on discussions with the sector, but I've already had ideas that don't at the moment appear in the consultation paper itself, proposed to me as part of the review, and the points that the member makes should be communicated by those people who think that those are valid points and would allow us to implement the policy in a better way. They should contribute them to the consultation.